math learners, today you will learn about text styling in LaTeX, how to do it. So let's first make a section which we are naming as text styling. Now add text. For example, I'm writing this is my bold text, and let's make it text BF. This tag will bold this text. Let's try to run it. Okay, as you can see, this is text styling section and this text is bold. Let's firstly write this text as a normal text. Then you'll differentiate between what is bold and what is not. Okay, this one is not bold and this one is bold. Moving forward to next text styling thing, which is normal format. By default, the text of LaTeX is normal, but if font styling is applied to a particular text, then you can use normal font tag. Let's copy it and paste it here. Let's see what happens. And this is my normal text. Don't forget to put these backward slash to make next line appear on the next line. Okay, I'll make it more zoomed. Okay, so as you can see, this is appearing as the normal text. Okay, moving forward to next tag, which is text italicize. So this is my italic text. Full stop. Okay, recompile it. So this is my italic text, which is symbolized by backslash text IT. Okay. Moving forward to next tag, which is text SF. It is basically a font, sans-serif font. So this is my another font. By default, we have another font, and just to make it appear with sans-serif font, we used SF, text SF tag. Okay, as you can clearly see, this font is different and this font is different. Okay, moving forward to next thing, which is text SC. This will make small capital text. Okay, let's recompile it. Okay, as you can see that my text is appearing as small capital letters. Okay, moving forward to next tag, which is text TT, text typewriter, and our text will appear like it is written in typewriter. This will make our text appear as typewriter. Okay, as you can see that our text is appearing that like we have written it in a typewriter. Moving forward to next tag, which is underline. Sorry, this is my underline text. Okay. Okay, for all of these fonts, we do not need any special package. Okay, this is the basic styling that I wanted to teach you. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.